How to link a debit card on Cash App. So if you just set up Cash App, you can't actually send money, buy Bitcoin or cash out until your wallet is connected to a primary funding source. Manually entering a routing and account number takes days to verify. And today I'll show you how to link a debit card for instant real-time money transfers. Alright, so fire up Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are on the home payment screen where you type in dollar amounts. Look up at the absolute top right corner of your display screen and tap on your profile icon as showed here. This slides open your global account dashboard menu. After that, you scroll down through the options until you see a tab labeled Linked Banks or Linked Accounts. Right here, this one outlines in red. And this slides open your global account dashboard menu. So tap that button. If this is a fresh account, you'll see a clean slate layout. So tap the very first option at the top, Link Credit Card or Link Card. Right here, also this green button. So you just carefully type in your 16-digit debit card number, followed by expiration date, the 3-digit CVV security code on the back, and your local billing zip code. Cash App supports all major financial networks, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Once the information is typed out, tap Link Card at the bottom. Right here, once again, this green button. And then the screen will flash green, and you will see your bank's name pop up right there under your new default card icon. That is it. Enjoy. As you can see, that's pretty simple to do. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.